Good morning, students. Now let us continue chapter number 13, exercise 13.3, question number 3. Question is like this: the curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square. Its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find first one the radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. Now here the slant height L is given 14 centimeter. Curved surface area of cone is given 308 centimeter square. First by the formula we find the radius. The formula is CSA of cone is pi RL. Now put the values. The curved surface area is given 308 square centimeter. Pi 22 upon 7. R we don't know. L is 14. Now cancel the terms, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. Now take 22 and 2 in denominator on other side, cross multiply. Therefore R is equal to 308 upon 2 into 22. Now cancel the terms, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 4 ja. Again 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 7 ja. Again 11 1 ja, 11 7 ja, 77. Therefore the radius of the cone is 7 centimeter. So radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeter. This is our first answer. Now second we have to find the total surface area of the cone. You know the formula. Total surface area of the cone is pi r in bracket L plus r. Now substitute the values. Pi 22 upon 7, r is 7 and L is 14, r is 7. Now 7 7 here cancel, 22 remaining, 14 plus 7 21, and if you multiply 22 by 21 you will get the answer 462 square centimeters. So total surface area of the cone is 462 centimeter square. Now we go question number 4. Now question number 4 is like this. Question 4 we see in the book. Question 4 is a conical tent is 10 meter high. High means height, that is 10 meter, and radius of the base is 24 meter. Here find the slant height of the slant height means L we have to find here, and the cost of the canvas required to make the tent. If the cost of the 1 meter square canvas rupees 70. Now first of all we find L. We know the formula, L square is equal to h square plus r square. Therefore L is equal to under root h square plus r square. To remove the square we take square root on other side. Now what is h? 10 square. What is r? 24 square and square root. The square of 10 is 100 and this is 576. So total will be 676. So the square root of 676 is 26. If you know the directly the square root, otherwise you take the factors of this and you will get this square root. So 26 meter is the slant height of the cone. Tent. Here cone means tent. Now area. Area to be used to make this tent. First we find the area and then the cost. So area means curved surface area because tent is open from the bottom. So CSA of the tent is pi RL. Put the values. Pi is 22 upon 7, R is 24 and L we got 26. So whenever you multiply all these values, then you will get answer. We multiply 22 by 24, then answer multiply by 26. So 1 3 7 2 8 divided by 7 and that will be meter square. about surface area of the tent. Now cost is given 7 rupees, so we take as it is 7, it will be cancelled. So cost 1 meter square is equal to 7 rupees. Therefore कितने मीटर है अपने पास 13728 upon 7 meter square will be how much? So it will be 13728 into 7 upon 7. 7 will cancel out and the answer will be 70 rupees is there. 70. So here we multiply it by 70, not 7. 70 rupees, that is the cost. So here we will multiply by 7, so it will be 10. So it will be 137,280 rupees. So answer is 137,280. That is 1,37,280 rupees. That is the cost of making this tent. Got it? So today you have to complete these 2 questions.